Good evening, dear students. In previous lecture, exercise 3.2, question number 3 is completed. Now today we start with question number 4. The following information is obtained to study the relationship between the carpet area in house and its monthly rent in city. After table, obtain the regression line of y on x. It means y cap find out. Estimate the monthly rent of house having carpet area of 110 square meter. It means x is given 110. So another year value is above 100. So using UE method. So total 6 column draw it. 10 line, 6 column, 10 line draw it. So write down first column carpet area is denoted by x variable 55, 16, 75, 80, 100, 120. Last is 140. Total is denoted by sigma x. Now second column write down monthly rent denoted by variable y. 18,000, 19,000, 20,000, 20,000. Next 25,000, next 30,000, and last is 50,000. Total is denoted by sigma y. Now next total find out sigma x. 55 plus 60 plus 75 plus 80 plus 100 plus 120 and last is 140. Total is 630. Total observation 2, 4, 6 and 7. So after table, first of all find out x bar is equal to sigma x by n 630 divided by 7 9090. Check. Now next second variable y column total find out 18,000 plus 19,000 plus 20,000 plus 20,000 plus 25,000 plus 30,000 plus 50,000. Total is 1,82,000. y1 is equal to sigma y by n 1,82,000 divided by 7. 26,000. Value of x bar and y bar both are integer, but your value is more than 100, बहुत ज़्यादा है, बड़ी वैल्यू है, इसलिए हम क्या करेंगे u मेथड। So u is equal to x minus a divided by cx। हम एक इसको एज्यूम करेंगे, तो यहाँ पे जो मीन है उसे हम एज्यूम ए करेंगे 90। मैंने बोला कोई भी वैल्यू हम ले सकते हो, बट यार x बार y बार बहुत इंटीजर है तो उसे हम ले लेते हैं, तो गोश्त वैल्यू लेंगे तो भी यूनिट प्लेस 5 0 5 0 0 0 0। तो 5 के टेबल में पॉसिबल है 5 इज द 5 5 इज द 10 5 is the 15 5 4 is the 20, यानी कि 5 and 0 both are possible in unit place, so cx is considered 5। so each and every value of variable x minus 90 divided by 5, 55 minus 90 divided by 5 minus 7। next 16 minus 90 divided by 5 minus 6। next 75 minus 90 divided by 5 minus 3। next 80 minus 90 divided by 5 minus 2। next 100 minus 90 divided by 5 2। 120 minus 90 divided by 5 last 140 minus 9 divided by 5 total is denoted by sigma u। so 6 3 10 16 17 18 sigma u is 0। check the next column b is equal to y minus b divided by c1। so here b consider it mean 26,000 and cy is equal to check the value of variable y unit place 0 0 0 0 0 yes 10 place 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 100 place 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1000 place 8 and 9 not possible for any people, it means 100 place तक possible है, यानी कि 3 0 so 1 then after 3 0 यानी कि 1000 consider by c1। each and every value of y minus 26,000 divided by 1000 18,000 minus 26,000 divided by 1000 minus 8। next 19,000 minus 26,000 divided by 1000 minus 7। next 20,000 minus 26,000 divided by 1000 minus 6 same minus 6। next 25,000 minus 26,000 divided by 1000 minus 1। 30,000 minus 26,000 divided by 1000 4। 50,000 minus 26,000 divided by 1000 24। total is denoted by sigma v, also 0 check 24 plus 4 28 8 plus 7 15 plus 6 21 plus 6 27 27 into 27 plus 128 sigma v also 0। क्यों ये दोनों 0 है? क्योंकि जो मीन है उसी को हमने क्या किया एज्यूम वैल्यू ली। क्यों? क्योंकि x minus x bar and y minus y bar is always 0। ये वन टाइप ऑफ वही हुआ x minus x bar y minus y bar divided by cx or cy दो इन हमको आंसर चाहिए। नेक्स्ट कॉलम uv multiplication of third and fourth column minus 7 into minus 8 26. Next, minus 6 into minus 7, 42. Next, minus 3 into minus 6, 18. Next, minus 2 into minus 6, 12. Next, 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Next, 6 into 4. And last, 10 into 24. Total is denoted by sigma UV. 390J. Okay. And last column, U square find out. Means third column square. Minus 7 into minus 7, 49. Minus 6 into minus 6, 36. Next, minus 3 into minus 3, 9. Next, minus 2 into minus 2, 4. Next, 2 into 2. Next, 6 into 6. And last, 10 into 10. Total is denoted by sigma U square. Easy. Check. 49 plus 36 plus 9 plus 4 plus 4 plus 36 plus 100. 238. Now next step. Write the formula. B is equal to n sigma UV minus sigma U into sigma V divided by n sigma U square minus sigma U whole square into cy by cx. q into cy by cx मैंने बोला था. ओके, क्या डिनोमिनेटर जब आएगा cx and cy. ओके, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ regression is independent for origin but not independent for state. जो अपने प्रॉपर्टीज में देखें, सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी, इसलिए cy by cx यहाँ पे आएगा. n number of observation is already 7. uv second last column total 390 minus sigma u and sigma v both are 0 divided by n7 sigma u square column total 238 minus sigma u 0 whole square into cy by 6 value of cy 1000 and cx is 5. 1000 divided by 5. Next step. Multiplication 7 into 390. 2730 minus 0 divided by 7 into 238. 1666 minus 0 into 1000 by 5. 200. Now next step. 2730 divided by 1666 into 200. Next, 2730 divided by 1666 into 200. Your answer is 327.7310. Last approximate your answer 327.73. Regression coefficient is 327.73. Now next find the intercept value of A. Is equal to y bar minus Bx bar. Value of y bar is 26,000 minus value of B 327.73 into value of x bar is 9090. Next step, 26,000 minus multiplication of both the values, 327.73 into 90, 29,495.7. Difference find out. 26,000 minus 29,495.7. Answer is minus 3,495.7. Value of intercept. Next, find out y on x regression line. The regression line y on x is y cap is equal to a plus bx. Write the value minus 3,495.7 plus value of b 327.73 into x. X is given in your question 110 square meter. Now next step, when x is equal to 110. Now next step, y cap is equal to minus 3495.7 plus 327.73 into 110 minus 3495.7 plus multiplication 327.73 into 110, 36050.3 minus 3495.7. 32,554.6 is your estimate value of variable y. Bracket it right down rupees. Okay. Now here completed your question number 4 is completed. Next, in question number 5. The following sample data is obtained to study the relation between the number of customers visiting a mall per day and the sell 10,000 rupees. After paragraph, obtain the regression line of y on x. It means y cap find out. Estimate the sales of mall if 80 customers have visited the mall on particular day. X is given 80. Find the y cap. Okay. So here decimal value is also given 3367. UV method हम यूज करेंगे आगे भी. 10 9 6 column row. first column, number of customers in variable X, 50, 70, 100, 70, 150, 120, last is total. It is sigma X. Second column, write down cells in 10,000 rupees variable Y, 2.0, 2.0, 2.5, 1.4, 4.0, last is 2.5. Total is denoted by sigma Y. So first of all, both the column total find out. 50 plus 70 plus 100 plus 70 plus 150 plus 120. Total is 560. Total number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. X bar is equal to sigma X by n. 560 by 6. Your answer is 93.33. Okay. Now next, value of variable Y column total find out 2 plus 2 plus 2.5 plus 1.4 plus 4 plus 2.5. Total is 14.4. So after table find out value of Y bar, sigma Y by n, 14.4 by 6. Your answer is 2.4. Done. Both are decimal. या आपका सेकंड फॉर्मूला लेनी हो तो ले सकते हैं, बट मैंने बोला क्या लिया 2a में, तो प्रैक्टिस होगी. So now in next column u is equal to x minus a divided by cx. Value of a is zoom value, तो इसकी नियरेस्ट वैल्यू 93 की नियरेस्ट क्या होगी 95 और 100. एनीवन तो हम क्या करते हैं यहाँ पे 100 को ऐसे कर लेते हैं. एंड cx यूनिट प्लेस चेक 0 0 0 0 0 0. 100 plus 5 and 7 not possible for any table for 10 places. So here cx is equal to 10. Each and every value of x minus 100 divided by 10. 50 minus 100 divided by 10 minus 5. 70 minus 100 divided by 10 minus 3. 100 minus 100 divided by 10 0. 70 minus 100 divided by 10 minus 3. 150 minus 100 divided by 10 5. 120 minus 100 divided by 10 2. So GT sigma u is equal to minus 4. Check the answer. 5 plus 3 8 plus 3 11 minus 11 plus 7. Answer is minus 4. Now next column v is equal to y minus 2.4. तो b है उसको हम क्या करेंगे डिवाइड बाय c1. v is equal to 2.4 and cy is 0.1. 0.1 से उसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो ईच एंड एवरी वैल्यू में क्या आएंगे ये इंटीजर हो जाएंगे. 2.0 minus 2.4 divided by 0.1 minus 4. 2.0 minus 2.4 divided by 0.4 minus 4. 2.5 minus 2.4 divided by 0.1 1. 1.4 minus 2.4 divided by 0.1 minus 10. 4 minus 2.4 divided by 0.116. 2.5 minus 2.4 divided by 0.1 10. GT find out. Sigma V is equal to 0. क्यों 0 आएगा? In previous question में मैंने बताया the value of x minus x bar and y minus y bar is always 0. Here y less b. B means हमने जो मीन आया उसमें ऐसे बेसिकली इसका हो गया 0. Now next column UV multiplication of third and fourth column. Minus 5 into minus 4 20. Minus 3 into minus 4 12. 0 into 1 0. Minus 3 into minus 10 30. 5 into 16 18. And last 2 into 10 20. Total is denoted by sigma UV is equal to 162. And last column U square. Third column square find out. Minus 5 into minus 5 25. Minus 3 into minus 3 9. 0 into 0 0. Minus 3 into minus 3 9. 5 into 5 24. 2 into 2 4. Total is denoted by sigma U 72. Now regression coefficient B find out. B is equal to n sigma UV minus sigma U into sigma V divided by n sigma U square minus sigma U whole square. N number of observation is 6. UV second last column total 162 minus sigma U and sigma V minus 4 into 0 minus 4 and 0 divided by n6 sigma U square column total 72 minus sigma U minus 4 whole square. फॉर्मूला में क्या रह गया cy by cx. cy is 0.41 and cx is 10. Now next step 6 into 162 972 minus 0 0 into minus 4 0 divided by 72 into 6 432 minus minus 4 square 60 into 0.1 by 10 0.0. Now next 972 divided by difference find out denominators. 432 minus 16 416 into 0.01. 972 divided by 416 into 0.01. The answer is 0.023. Approximate answer 0.02. Regression coefficient B is 0.02. Now intercept value of A find out. Formula y bar minus bx bar. Value of y bar 2.4 minus b 0.02 into value of x bar 93.33. Next step 2.4 minus 0.02 into 93.33. Your answer 1.8666. Difference find out 2.4 minus 1.8666. 2.4 minus 1.8666, 0.5334. So value of intercept approximate 0.53. Done. And last, find out y cap regression line. The regression line y on x is y cap is equal to a plus bx. Intercept value of a is 0.53 plus value of b 0.02 into x, 0.02 into x. X is given in your question. 80 customer when x is equal to 80, y cap 0.53 plus 0.02 into 80, 0.53 plus 0.02 into 80, the answer 1.6, both value addition 2.30. Check the answer. Y cap 2.13, 10,000 rupees in bracket. So we have completed question number 5 and also completed your lecture today. जिस किसी को डाउट रही है वो पूछ सकते हैं, बाकी क्या सब रिमूव हो जाए प्लीज.